How to fix the spinning wheel on your iPhone. So if you're trying to access your call forwarding settings and you're seeing this spinning circular wheel, I'm going to show you two different ways on how to go and fix this. Now the first thing you need to do is try performing a soft reset on your phone. Now it's really easy, we just need to go and press the following keys. So we're going to quickly press the volume up button, the volume down button, and then hold the lock screen button on the right hand side of your phone. Now continue to hold this button down until eventually the screen goes black. Now when the screen goes black, continue to hold this button down, and after about 10 more seconds you'll see the Apple logo appear. You could then go and release the lock screen button, you could then turn your phone back on, and you can check to see if your call forwarding is now working. If you're still having an issue, there's one more thing we can do. So just go and load up the settings on your phone, and then we're going to scroll down and click on General. Now scroll down to the very bottom and click on Transfer or Reset iPhone. Now press Reset and select Reset Network Settings. Now you may need to enter the passcode to your iPhone to go and confirm these changes. You can then try heading back over to call forwarding and checking if that solves the issue. Now if it still doesn't work, then just try waiting around 2 to 3 minutes on this page. Now sometimes after a few minutes, the spinning wheel circle is going to change into the call forwarding option, and you'll be able to go and enable and disable this feature.